Jasmy been absolutely flying recently, pulling back a little bit at the moment. Let's talk about it. Jasmycoin, fantastic. Finally breaking out after weeks and weeks and months of potential accumulation. Well done to those that believed in Jasmy, bought lots of Jasmy at the bottom. Things are looking a lot better for you now. You should have some fantastic entries because it was down there for quite a while. We're going to take a look at it. So Jasmy, time of recording 0.0231, so just over 2 cents currently. That has absolutely flown up, done a 10x off the bottom. We're going to take a look at it. Market cap, though, fantastic to see Jasmy inside the top 100 cryptocurrencies, rank 90. I was talking about this one a long time ago when I believe it was about rank 300. So it's now in the top 100 cryptos. Definitely still not cryptocurrency, an altcoin out there that should be ignored, in my opinion. If you are not aware of Jasmy, go and do your own research on this project. Of course, nothing in this video is financial advice. Make your own investments, take your own risk. But yeah, I'm just going to give you how I am seeing Jasmy right now. So volume, rank 50, so lots of volume again. That is down 36% on the last 24 hours. We should expect the volume to cool off. Just looking at the coin market cap chart here, you can see we had that big spike to go to our current highs, which was around about 0.027. So yeah, we're cooling off at the minute, but still looking pretty strong on Jasmy. It's absolutely flown up. We'll dive into the charts in a second. What's also kind of crazy is we've got Jasmy here being like on Forbes. I know digital assets, lots of cryptocurrency prices are on here, but to see Jasmy on Forbes is kind of wild. Again, considering how much of a small project it was in terms of the rankings. This thing is gaining some momentum. On X, very active all the time. Now got 110,000 followers again for a small project that was being ignored by many. Plenty are now waking up to Jasmy, which is great. Of course, we had the Hara right at the top, now talking about this new project, Junction. Again, you can get into the Jasmy Telegram group, go and find out about Junction, do your research on this AI permissionless chain incubated by the Jasmy community. So the price has reacted, a lot of good news, but constant building in the bear market on this project. So take a look at the chart. Very simple. Again, if you look at a few altcoins that I've been looking at recently, again, starting to maybe see that sort of bottoming curve, which is looking really good for a potential of a very strong bull market. Now, many people will be thinking, look, it's 10x off the bottom, and we have to be sensible here and expect a cool off at some stage. We know some absolute crypto gems out there can just do a 100x in a week. Absolute bonkers things can always happen in this space. However, if something's gone up 10x, we know that people who got in on the bottom or near the bottom on this one, it is likely that some profits are going to be taken. We know Ethereum is still climbing, altcoins are still climbing. We're not seeing any bearish signals this week. Today could be the day that we see that new all-time high on Bitcoin. It's virtually there now. It's going to be interesting to see how that reacts as a potential double top, or are we going to blast through $70,000? We will be on the charts all day in our Discord as well. Come and join the Crypto Rosetta community. Discord is free to join. Link is in the description below. We'll be following this. We know this is a huge week in crypto. So back on the chart, I've got the potential support now. This is just speculative that we may see a drop down to around about 0.008, and then if we get the bounce there, maybe I've got another 10x to come. Now, of course, that will multiply if anyone has got in on the bottom and holding Jasmy and you're still holding on to your Jasmy bag. Leave us a comment below. Let us know how bullish you are. If you're selling any Jasmy, you're holding your bag, let us know. Leave a comment. But if you get that other 10x all the way up back to $2.80 approximately, you're talking about a 100x off the bottom. So I do not think this is impossible for Jasmy. Again, profits will be taken on the way. I think this is probably the max kind of area we could see it go into the bull market. But who knows? Maybe we could go even higher and actually see new highs. It was one of those projects, we see many of them that launched at a high price and just completely fell as supply was increased. That is totally normal. But now there's not much supply left to be released on Jasmy. So again, do your research on that. So any resistances that I'm seeing overhead, resistance here from back in March 22 coming in around about 4.5 cents if we are to go higher. Again, I'm still expecting a pullback before we go there, but I do think that is a very good target to have from here. So again, time recording, that'll still be about a 2x from now. But personally, I'm going to say I wouldn't be getting into Jasmy now. I would wait for at least maybe another 20-30% correction, and then you can just potentially dollar cost average down if you want to build a position on this coin. Now, higher resistance is going to be that 32.5 cent, which goes all the way back to the top of the crypto market, which was October 21 here. So long way off from that, but you can see pretty impulsive off the bottom. We'll take a look at the next chart. So lower time frame, just zoomed in. No, disregard, not low time frame, still on the daily here, but zoomed in. I'm just showing the accumulation period that realistically started around about September 22. So we're talking about 18 months of good accumulation on Jasmy, but now this thing is starting to take off. We can see it's fairly impulsive. And there's a few ways of potentially looking at this. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a massive wave 5, which would be okay. Again, Savage is now back on the channel doing these Elliott waves for you. So he's a specialist in that, so maybe we'll get him to look at Jasmy, but he will be looking at a whole host of coins. It is great to have him back. So that is one potential count, but it could also be that this is just one here, pull back here, and we could be in the third wave and be going even higher on Jasmy. So things looking really strong either way, but again, I'm still expecting that little bit of a cool off. Now, you can win Jasmy, of course, at cryptcomps.com if you want to support the channel and give yourself an opportunity of winning £10,000 worth of any cryptocurrency, altcoins, Bitcoin. If you want stable coins, go to cryptcomps.com. It's £5 a ticket for the £10,000 draw. You can enter from anywhere worldwide. That's around about $6.20 a ticket. You've got fantastic odds of winning. All the information is there. Go to cryptcomps.com and get your tickets and get in the competition, guys. Also, if you want to join the channel membership, we've still got lifetime membership NFTs available for 1,800 ADA. They're limited to 500 only. We have weekly AMAs to members. We also have our trading zone where we post our trading ideas. We've got our shitcoin chat, which is all about getting in and out of those micro caps and taking opportunities in the market, especially at times like this when lots of coins are pumping. This is the perfect time to be, scalping those higher risk, higher reward plays. So speculating pullback on Jasmy at the minute, but the breakout looks strong. Hopefully we get this accumulation period. Even if we drop down, even a 50% drop here isn't super bearish on Jasmy. We can still absolutely fly up from there. So let us know if you are dollar cost averaging a position on Jasmy. Of course, if you enjoyed this content, smash up the like. If you're brand new here, hit the subscribe. We'll see you again.